Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and what I have for you today is the Canon camcorder, and it is VIXIA HF700 model. I'm just reading off the box, and it says Video Essentials Kit. This camcorder is not wireless, and it comes with a pouch, and then the wiring, and then an SD card. Just gonna also show you the sides. Over here it is written in French. I'm going to show you the sides of the box. This costs $280 Canadian. I find it difficult to talk about the prices on electronics because it can vary so much from the store that you're buying from and the website, and also whether or not you're buying it new or used. So 57x zoom intelligence. This kit includes the camera, the adapter, battery pack, carrying case, and the memory card. There's a bunch of other stuff, but you guys get the idea. Alright. So without further ado, I'm going to try to open this up. And it's actually taped up. Hey guys, so I used a pair of scissors, and I was just trying to get this sticky tape opened. I cut the sticky tape to get to the top of the box, and here we go. Oops. This is going to be a lot of fun. This is actually my first camcorder that I've ever bought. No more using my cell phone? No, I'll probably be using my cell phone. Alright. So here is the... This is heavy. There's another box inside another box. Okay. I might pause the video so I can get this camcorder and the rest of the accessories out. Okay, here we go. So that's the pouch. Whoops. That's what it looks like. Bag. Show you the back, front. Put that on this side. Okay, so the box within a box. Ta-da! So like I said before, this is just going to be a quick, my first impressions of this electronic product. Here we go. And so I highly suggest that if you're going to be getting camcorders, that you make sure that you pick up memory cards with enough memory on it. So this is the one that they've given us. Or given me. And over here we have the instructions. Or, sorry, the warranty card, it looks like. I'm just going to show that again. Yeah, I think that's the warranty card. Dealer record of Canon purchase. And down over here, register your camcorder now. Just going to put that in. I know some people may wonder why don't I just pause the video as opposed to showing you me going through the hassle of opening up the box. Well, I just want you to see what I'm seeing. So you get an idea of if you ever purchased product, how it's wrapped up. Okay. This is actually fairly light. Fairly light. I didn't know what I was expecting. I don't know if I was expecting it to be like a pound or something. So it comes in bubble wrap. And there we go. I wouldn't say it's the size of 2 baseballs. I mean, or weight. But I don't know, I guess maybe I was expecting it to be heavier. And then down at the bottom, these are the adapters. Battery, I guess the battery pack. Okay. In the comments below, let me know what kind of camcorder that you use. In particular, ones that are budget ones. When I say budget, I mean under like $300 American. Okay, and I believe that this is also an older model, so that's what it comes with. Just gonna be careful over here. So there's a view of the camera again. This looks like a fun little camera. Camcorder. Okay. If you want me to do another video that's very detailed about the instructions of using this camera, let me know in the comments below. I'm just going to do a brief look at the packaging of inside. Okay, so transfer utility, startup guide, different information, configuration, or basic startup. So I'm just going to show you. Here we go. Package contents. So this is, here we go. This is all the contents. HD camcorder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different items. And I'm just going to open this up as well. Just want to try to be careful. Just place this down here so you can get a better look. Maybe I'll leave it up here so you can see it. And then over here, I'm just going to open up this package. Do you guys ever really use the camera bags that they come with? Or do you just find you just end up putting the electronic product just basically in your bag, your backpack or your purse? Because this is kind of awkward, to be honest. My first impression is that this is a kind of a... I know it has to be bigger than the size of the product, the electronic product. Let's see if I can get this open. Yeah, it's all taped up. Here we go. Ta-da! So here we have Canon nylon bag. This camcorder. Oh, what does it come with inside? Okay, this opens up. I guess this. I'm looking for the strap. There's got to be a strap. Yep. Ta-da! The strap's over here. I'm just gonna take the paper away. Wow. Alright. I'm just going to lay these things out so you can see what exactly came in the box. I'm going to move some things around here a bit. Okay, if you're new to my channel, I use a camera phone, so I always keep on apologizing that things are a little bit shaky. But see how this will go now that I actually have a camcorder to use. I'm just going to open this up one more time. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching my review. And